Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Hope you all fine at home. Students, today we are going to discuss about our last algebraic method, namely cross multiplication method. So watch the video carefully. Listen children, first you have to write the given pair of linear equations in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0. We know that these are standard form or general form of any given pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. After writing this general form, next we want to find the solution, or we can write the solution given by the equations. Listen, this is very important. X by b1c2 minus b2c1 equal to y by c1a2 minus c2a1 equal to 1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. Okay. So, using this result, we can easily find the solution x and y. No, okay. See, listen, we can remember this equation by using or with the help of a diagram. Please note down the diagram because this diagram may be helpful to you to remember this result. Listen, just write the coefficients just like this: b1, c1, a1, then b1, b2, c2, a2, then b2. Okay. Now in between these b1 and c1 we have to write x, here y, and here 1. Okay. Now listen the arrow marks. Listen the arrows between these two numbers. Let's see b1 c2, b2 c1, c1 a2, c2 a1, a1 b2, a2 b1. Okay. Listen, the arrows between the two numbers indicate that they are to be multiplied. Okay. They are to be multiplied, and the second product is to be subtracted from the first. From the first means here the arrow mark. See b1 c2. This is the first product. b2 c1. This is the second product. So from the first product we have to subtract the second product. Okay. Look at here. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Similarly here. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. So please note down this diagram. With the help of diagram we can easily write the solution, or we can easily write this result. Okay. Now from this result find the solution x and y. Listen, because of these arrows, indication of these arrow marks, that's why we are calling this method is cross multiplication method. Okay, it is a simple method. So by heart this result, or by heart remember this diagram. Let's see some examples how to find the solutions by using this cross multiplication method. Okay. We are going to discuss some problems on exercise 3.5. Okay. Say the first set of question, we have some pair of linear equations. We have to verify which has unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many solution. Okay. So listen, 2x plus y equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. First we want to check This pair of linear equation has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. So let us consider the ratio of A1 and A2, B1 and B2 and C1 and C2. A1 and A2 are coefficients of x. So it is 2 by 3. B1 and B2 are coefficients of y, that is 1 by 2. C1 and C2, that is constant term, that is 5 by 8. Okay, so listen, if we rewrite this as 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0, we can see that the constant term is actually minus 5 by minus 8. It is same as 5 by 8. Okay. Anyway, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that the given pair of linear equation has unique solution. Okay. Unique solution means one and only one solution. Let's see how to find this solution by cross multiplication method. So our given pair of equation is 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 8. So first step is rewrite this equation into its general form. That is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Now write the diagram. That is B1, C1, A1, B1, B2, C2, A2, B2. Here x, y, 1. Now what is the result? X by, okay, B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equal to y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1, which is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now from here we can rewrite A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. What is A1 here? A1 equal to 2, B1 equal to 1, C1 equal to minus 5. Similarly, A2 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to minus 8. So rewrite all these values here. Listen, x by 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 equal to y by minus 5 into 3 minus minus 8 into 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. On simplification, we can see x by minus 8 plus 10 equal to y by minus 15 plus 16 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. This is equal to x by minus 8 plus 10 is 2. X by 2 equal to, here y by minus 15 plus 16 1 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 1. Okay. X by 2 equal to y by 1 equal to 1 by 1. Now the last step is equate, listen, these two. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Here we get the value of x. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 means x by 2 is equal to 1 or x equal to 2. Okay. If we equate these two fractions, y by 1 equal to 1 by 1 implies y equal to 1. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the given pair of equations. Okay. So this is the method of cross multiplication. So you have to by heart this diagram. Using this diagram, with the help of this diagram, we can easily write this result and simply put the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 from the given pair of equations and simplify, you get the result x equal to and y equal to, which is our required solution. Okay. See the given pair of equations, 3x plus y equal to 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equal to 2k plus 1. Question is, for which value of x this pair of linear equation have no solution? Okay, no solution. So, no solution means, listen the ratios, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Let us consider the first two ratios, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Here what is a1? 3. a2 2k minus 1. b1 1. b2 k minus 1. So 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 by k minus 1. Now take cross multiplication. Okay, simply cross multiply. So 3 into k minus 1 equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. Now open the bracket. 3 into k, 3k. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 1 into 2k, 2k. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now collect k term to here, constant term to right side. So 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. 3k minus 2k is k. Minus 1 plus 2 is 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Okay. So k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 means when we put a k is equal to 2 here, or the values of k, the given pair of linear equation have no solution. Okay. For the value of k is equal to 2, the given pair of linear equation have no solution. So k is equal to 2. That's our required answer. See question number 2. For which values of a and b does the pair of linear equation have infinite number of solutions? Okay, infinite number of solution. Listen, a pair of linear equation have infinitely many solution when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If all the three ratios are equal, then the given pair of linear equation have infinitely many solution. So first you have to write the ratio and replace a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2. Okay. Here what is a1? 2 by what is a2? A minus b equal to b1 coefficient of y 3 by b2 a plus b equal to c1 and c2. See, if we take this 7 to here, this becomes minus 7. Take this term to left side, this becomes minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Anyway, this minus sign can be cancelled. We get 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay. Now listen, if these three ratios are equal, we can equate these three ratios into a constant k. It's very important. If three ratios are equal, then we can equate these three ratios to a constant k. Now equate the first ratio with the k. That is 2 by a minus b is equal to k. Similarly, second ratio 3 by a plus b is equal to k. Third ratio 7 by 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to k. From here, 2 by a minus b is equal to k implies a minus b into k is equal to 2. Okay, take this by a minus b to right side. So division becomes multiplication. Similarly, a plus b into k is equal to 3. Here 3a plus b minus 2 into k is equal to 7. Listen, these two expressions or equations, put it as equation 1, 2 and this is equation 3. From here we can write ak minus bk is equal to 2. ak plus bk is equal to 3. Just to multiply or open the bracket. Now adding these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. If we are adding these two equations, listen, minus bk plus bk, this is cancel. ak plus ak is 2ak. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2ak is equal to 5. So what is a? A is equal to 5 by 2k. Okay, 5 by 2k. Put this value in one of the equation. Suppose ak plus bk is equal to 3. Put a is equal to 5 by 2k into k plus bk is equal to 3. Here we can cancel this k. 5 by 2 plus bk is equal to 3. What is bk here? bk is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. Taking cross multiplication we get 6 minus 5 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So bk is equal to 1 by 2 or b is equal to 1 by 2 by k, that is 1 by 2k. Okay, 1 by 2 divided by k, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by k. 1 by 2 into 1 by k is 1 by 2k. So a is equal to 5 by 2k, b is equal to 1 by 2k. See the third expression, third equation, 3a plus b minus 2 into k is equal to 7. Put these values of a and b here. That is 3 into, what is a? 5 by 2k plus b. What is b? 1 by 2k minus 2 into k is equal to 7. So this becomes 15 by 2k plus 1 by 2k minus 2 into k is equal to 7. Now this can be written as 15 by 2k plus 1 by 2k is 16 by 2k minus 2 into k is equal to 7. Now open the bracket. 16 by 2k into k minus 2 into k is equal to 7. Here we can cancel this k and 16 by 2 is 8. So 8 minus 2k is equal to 7. Here 2k is equal to 8 minus 7, that is 1, or 2k is equal to 1 implies k is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, k is equal to 1 by 2. Put k is equal to 1 by 2 here. So a is equal to 5 by 2k becomes 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to 5. Now put k is equal to 1 by 2 here. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So b is equal to 1. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1 is the required equation. Required solution of the given pair of linear equation. Okay. Listen children, the same problem can be solved in another form, another way. After writing these ratios, let us equate these two ratios. That is 2 by a minus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Taking cross multiplication here, just to cross multiply. So 2 into 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 7 into a minus b. Now open the bracket. 2 into 3a 6a plus 2 into b 2b, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 equal to 7 into a minus 7 into b. Now collect all the a and b terms to here and constant term to right side. So this becomes 6a plus 2b. Take this 7a and minus 7b to left side. So this is minus 7a plus 7b equal to minus 4 becomes plus 4. Now 6a minus 7a, that is minus a, plus 2b plus 7b, that is plus 9b is equal to 4. Put it as equation number. Now equate these two ratios. 3 by a plus b equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now cross multiply. 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 7 into a plus b. Open the bracket. 9a plus 3b minus 6 equal to 7a plus 7b. Now take all these terms to left side, minus 6 to right side. So 9a plus 3b minus 7a minus 7b is equal to minus 6. Now listen, 9a minus 7a, that is 2a, plus 3b minus 7b minus 4b equal to minus 6 becomes plus 6. Okay. Now we can write this in its simplest form because all the term carries 2 as common. 2 is a common factor. So this can be written as a minus 2b is equal to 3. Put it as equation number 2. So we have minus a plus 9b is equal to 4. Equation number 1. A minus 2b is equal to 7. Equation number 2. Here look at here, minus a plus a. So simply add these two equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2. If we are adding these two equations, minus a and plus a becomes 0. Then 9b plus minus 2b or 9b minus 2b is equal to 7b. Okay, this is 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7b is equal to 7 implies b is equal to 7 by 7, that is equal to 1. Now put b is equal to 1 here. A minus 2b is equal to 3. Put b is equal to 1. So a minus 2 into 1 is equal to 3. A minus 2 is equal to 3 or a is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So a equal to 5, b equal to 1. Okay, so this is our required solution.